2 presents
the Indiana Jones Trilogy.
First up,
Raiders of the Lost Ark.
The cool opening scene.
Yeah!
The bad guy.
Dr. Jones, there is nothing you can possess which I cannot take away.
Yoink! Belloc!
And give me your hat.
No.
Okay. Shit.
The flight thingy.
Ding, 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 ding.
The female lead.
Hello, Marion.
Indiana Jones, I always knew someday you'd come walking back through my door.
Ow! Shot! Ow!
You've got yourself a partner.
The sidekicks.
Oh, hello, Marcus and Sala.
Hello, my friend.
Indy, you have my medallion.
And you have my wisest counsel.
And my axe.
Wrong trilogy, John Rhys Davies.
The gross out scene.
Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
We're in a pit in the desert. What, you were expecting sharks? Huh? Come on!
Oh, snakes!
The action sequence.
Ooh! Ooh! I was doing a street show for charity.
Rescuing the relic and the dramatic ending.
Marion, whatever you do, don't look at the Ark! Don't look!
I have never read the Bible or bothered researching anything about the Ark before attempting to excavate it, so I will look straight at it along with every other Nazi. Ha ha!
My
Flashback!
1 year to the Temple of Doom!
Bet you didn't know it was a prequel.
The cool opening scene and the female lead.
Yi Wang Si Wa Yi Ji Dao. I speak Chinese, but I am so close-minded. Anything goes.
Lao Shay, hand over the diamond.
Here you go, Dr. Jones. But first, drink this.
It was poison!
No, you tricked me! Hand over the antidote, Lao Shay.
Anything goes, Dr. Jones.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend, Lao Shay.
Nothing but a good time. Poison the band.
If you've got the poison, I've got the remedy. Jason Rad.
Oh!
The sidekick.
Hokey dokey, Dr. Jones! You, the original Goonie! I, an indentured servant!
Ha ha ha.
The flight thingy.
Ding! Oh, no more parachutes!
No!
Hold on to your potatoes!
The gross out scene.
Ew, nan chutney. Ugh, other cultures.
I have had it with these motherfucking snakes in this motherfucking snake!
The other gross out scene.
We are going to die!
A hallway of bugs. I'm still intolerant.
The bad guy.
Kalima! Kalima! I didn't see your heart!
I got your freaking heart, man!
Look at it! Hazard! Back!
The action sequence.
Green screen. Claymation.
Ow!
Bing,
Ow!
bing,
Ow!
bing,
Voodoo.
Ow.
bing, bing, bing.
Rescuing the relic plus the dramatic ending.
Hey! I'm gonna cut this bridge down if you don't do what I tell you! You don't have these stones, Dr. Jones! Really?
Oh no, you do have the stones and they're on fire!
Flashback 23 years to The Last Crusade!
The cool opening scene.
This belongs in a museum! I'll never get over this! Whip chin scar!
Hey!
The man I'm going to become!
Here you go, take my hat. Oh, never mind, it's glued on.
Cool!
Flash forward 27 years to...
The female lead.
I am Nazi doctor looking for Holy Grail.
You are not the doctor looking for the Holy Grail?
Yes, that's right.
Venice.
The gross out scene.
Rats. Pun intended.
Fire!
The flight thingy. The bad guys.
Nazis!
The sidekick.
Junior! Don't call me Junior. Moneypenny.
Where is the journal?
It's with Marcus. He's hiding.
Here I am!
Wow, they really made you less competent in this movie. Like, by a lot. I mean, in Raiders, you were really intelligent, but now you're like 6th season Eric Matthews.
The action sequence.
Boat chase!
Tank chase!
Whoa! Truck chase!
Ow! Blip chase!
Motorcycle chase!
Dolphin chase!
Rescuing the relic plus the dramatic ending.
Bang!
Dad! Junior, you must save me! Go through the challenges and get the Holy Grail! All right! Bop it. Twist it. Bop it. You did it. Yeah!
Finally, pick a cup.
Ooh!
Any cup.
Ooh, shiny things.
He chose poorly.
There's only one cup left. Jesus would have a fat little ugly cup. Ugh, poor people.
You chose wisely.
Cool. So, I can just go?
Yeah, no, go ahead.
You sure?
Yeah, no, yeah.
You don't sound so sure. I mean, I could hang out for a while.
No, I'm good. Seriously, go.
Okay. Thanks.
Oh.
Bop it.